Hi everyone. The title of my session is Teachers and Parents Teaming Up to Build Learners Up. What will the session be about? This session will focus on the benefits of having teachers and parents team up to build learners up through research-based strategies. Attendees will learn the importance of improving parent engagement in schools and how teachers can help parents become leaders at home to support learning through meaningful two-way communication. The session format that I picked was a lecture because I will be presenting the benefits of improving parent engagement and presenting ways and the tools that teachers and parents can use to team up. How to engage participants in the session. I will include videos in the presentation as well as show them how to use the tools to communicate with teachers and other resources that they can use at home to help students with the learning. For example, something that at least here in my district or in my school, we use Class Dojo a lot, and some parents may know about it, some parents may not know about it. So that is a great tool that I would show during the session. There's also books and other resources that parents can learn about, and that is something that parents and teachers can learn about, and that would keep them engaged in the session. My process in choosing a topic for the session, I chose this topic because I believe that when parents have a voice and are involved in the learning of their children through teaming up with teachers, students are more successful. I have seen it in my years of teaching that parents can make a big difference and teachers can help them do that. When I have communicated to parents about their child's needs, they have taken an active role, and that has helped students grow. And having that support not only at school but at home is really beneficial. When I taught kindergarten, I had one of my students. Her mom was very involved in reading to her at home and really communicating with me, and we teamed up. And by the end of kindergarten, she was reading uh, well above what she needed to go to first grade. In third grade, I have also seen students really grow last year. Once I would give parents like feedback cards and just simple things that they can do at home to help them be successful in the classroom. The convention that I would like to submit to is the 2019 ECS 20 Language Conference, which is part of Region 20 in San Antonio. I liked it. I like this convention because first it's in San Antonio, it's very close to Houston, but also the theme about uniting cultures really spoke to me. I want to be involved in helping students and parents find reasons to commit to learning a new language through teaming up with teachers, and although it may be a challenge, show them the ways that it can be achieved. Thank you.